Welcome to Lean and Green Michigan's Partner Training Video Number 2, Property and Project Eligibility for PACE. In this video, we will be discussing how to determine if a property or the desired improvements is eligible for PACE and some of the limitations that may impact the amount of PACE financing a project can receive. First, let's talk about what properties are eligible. PACE financing is limited in Michigan to privately owned, industrial, agricultural, or commercial properties. These can include properties consisting of retail, office, hospitality, multifamily housing with 4 or more units, and senior living facilities. Properties which are mixed use may also be eligible, as long as the majority of the property is being used for a qualifying purpose. Single-family and multifamily residential with 3 or fewer units are not eligible. Additionally, government-owned properties are not eligible for PACE in Michigan. Of course, to take advantage of PACE financing, the property must be located within an existing PACE district. Lean and Green Michigan maintains an up-to-date list of all of our participating local governments on our website. If a property is not located in a Lean and Green Michigan PACE district, we are always willing to reach out to the local government where it is located, see if they are interested in enabling PACE, and work with them to form a district. PACE Express is a streamlined process to finance projects with an assessment of $250,000 or below that have fewer statutory requirements. For example, a simpler, less expensive ASHRAE Level 1 rather than an ASHRAE Level 2 audit is sufficient. The savings to investment ratio and savings guarantee are not required. To encourage lenders and property owners to use PACE Express, Lean and Green Michigan has prepared a locked model closing document packet, which expedites the closing process. Administrative fees are also reduced for PACE Express projects. Let's turn now to what types of property improvements are eligible for PACE financing. The Michigan PACE statute broadly defines what may qualify as an eligible improvement and can be used to finance improvements in 3 main categories: energy efficiency improvements, including water efficiency, installation of renewable energy systems, and projects designed to address environmental hazards, as well as anaerobic digester energy systems. Energy efficiency improvements are those that are generally intended to decrease energy consumption and can include improvements such as insulation and building envelope improvements, storm windows and doors, multi-glazed windows, automated energy control systems, HVAC systems, caulking, weather stripping or air sealing, lighting fixtures, and energy recovery systems. Michigan is one of the few states that counts EV charging systems as an eligible improvement. Additionally, energy efficiency includes improvements that reduce water usage, such as low-flow toilets, sinks, shower heads, and bioswales and gray water systems. If an improvement will increase the efficiency of the building, reducing utility costs, it may be eligible. We are always willing to work through whether an improvement will qualify. Please reach out to us with any questions. Renewable energy systems are intended to be renewable energy resources on the customer's side of the meter, which generate electricity. These can include biomass, solar, or solar thermal systems, wind energy, geothermal, and systems to capture methane gas from landfills. Environmental hazard projects are intended to address environmental hazards on the eligible property, such as mitigation of lead and PFAS in drinking water, protection against effects of severe weather, including drought and flooding, and mitigation of lead in drinking water pipes are eligible projects. Finally, let's turn to some additional considerations when evaluating project eligibility for PACE. In general, the property should be healthy and likely to continue to be used for the term of the loan. The property owner must be the fee holder or a land contract vendee. Additionally, they will need to be current on all property taxes. A history of late or delinquent property tax payments may make the project difficult to underwrite and fund. Lean and Green Michigan looks at 2 additional metrics for PACE eligibility, which will limit the size of a PACE loan: the ratio of the assessment to the property value, or ATV, and the ratio of the total debt on the property to the property value, the loan-to-value, or LTV. Generally, the amount of the assessment cannot exceed 25% of the property value. This is the assessment to value ratio. A $4 million property could be eligible for $1 million of PACE. And generally, the loan to value or LTV is capped at 90% of the property value, inclusive of PACE and all other debt. Please see video number 4 for additional information regarding ATV and LTV. Submit an eligibility form to Lean & Green Michigan through our website and we will follow up to discuss your project. Or call us at 313-444-1474. Congratulations, you have completed video number 2. Please proceed to the next video.